So welcome back to part 3. So this is the never-ending saga of rebuilding a boring old transit van into a dream build. So we started off, as you probably know if you've seen the previous 2 parts, with a boring old transit van which was full of stickers and carpet and carpeted ply lining and various bits and pieces. But we're gradually taking that all out and we're getting cracking on it. So we started off, I've been building cabinets inside, I've been putting the wood up for the beams. All this while we've taken delivery of a 10-week-old bulldog puppy called Dave, who, as you can see, demands quite a bit of attention. So we're trying to do that as well as looking after Dave. Anyway, this is where we start to fit the roof fan, and we went for a nomadic air fan, which is great. It's got LEDs in it. This is the framework that I'm building so that it goes on the inside and it's got something to screw to. One thing I will say about the panels on a transit are they are extremely flimsy, like paper, so it's very easy to cut through. Found out that the roof was black in places for some reason, but there's the finished cut hole, and that's just sort of propping up so I've got a little bit of strength behind it before I then start to put the framework in for the fan, and seal it all with Sikaflex and butyl tape just so that it's totally waterproof. That's the Air Plus fan, which is great, really superb quality, really pleased with it. And that's the frame. I think that's part 2 of the frame actually from the inside. So yeah, that's obviously that. Then it will have the headlining on. Then we moved on to the side windows. So I ordered a couple of sliding windows for both sides of the van from CAMPERVAN glass. Really great quality, absolutely superb. Love them. But this is Ollie, my son. Ollie's built a crafter, a motorhome, and it's like a hotel. It's fantastic. So I thought, well, no better person to do the windows than my own son Ollie, and he's a bit of a perfectionist, so I knew it was going to be a great job. Luckily, we picked the best day of the year so far in 2026. This is the seal going on. Again, it's double skin there, but very light, so it sort of bends out of shape quite a bit. So this is Ollie just making sure everything's flat and that the trim for the inside of the glass is all on there properly before we then put the primer on it, and then the sealant. This is the glass I was telling you about. You'll see the logo. There you go. Camper glass. I would highly recommend these guys as well. Superb. Everything came in the kit, so you've got the sealant there, and I would say with the sealant probably best to get an industrial strength mastic gun because it's quite hard to come out. That's the windows in. Used the suction plates there and some gaffer tape just to hold it in because I had a 2-hour drive after this to go home. And that's what they looked like before I left Ollie's house, both sides. And then the following morning when I took the tape off, that's what it looked like. So really pleased with it. Thanks ever so much for watching this one. This is part 3. Make sure you like and subscribe, please, and I'll keep you updated as to what's coming up next. Got a lot of things going on at the moment.